Complete Guide to Securing a Germany Work Visa from India. 1. Research visa types. Understand Germany's work visa options and select the appropriate one. 2. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet specific criteria for your chosen work visa, including qualifications. 3. Find a job. Secure a job offer from a German employer willing to sponsor your visa application. 4. Sign employment contract. Finalize a contract detailing job specifics, salary, and duration. 5. Gather documents. Collect essential paperwork such as passport, visa application, employment contract, and financial proof. 6. Health insurance. Obtain valid health coverage suitable for Germany's requirements. 7. Language proficiency. Demonstrate proficiency in German or English, depending on visa requirements. 8. Visa application. Submit your application online or at the German consulate and pay fees. 9. Interview. Attend an interview and provide biometric data if requested. 10. Wait for decision. Await visa approval. Plan your journey to Germany and register your address upon arrival.